All right, so here's a look at this toilet. Now this is gonna be great if you're gonna use it here bedside. It makes it really easy for them to get out of bed and get right into here. You can kind of position this however or wherever you want. It's gonna be a 2-piece bucket. It's got the bucket on the bottom and then it has a lid. So this really makes it easy for cleanup because you basically just set that down like that. When they're all finished, throw the bucket on top and you can easily pick this up, take it out and clean it out. You could also add some liners in here. So if you want to make cleanup even easier, you just put some plastic liners in there and then easily bring it out to the trash and throw it away. Very, very simple and easy to set up. Now, this can also be used as a toilet seat raiser. So you can have this in your bathroom, put it above the toilet, and then this little splash guard is awesome because I know some people need their seat to be higher because they don't have mobility to squat down. But when you're up high like this, it's far from the toilet seat, so it's easy to make a mess. But this thing kind of solves that. So you're just gonna throw this right over the top there, and then now you can see this bridges the gap between the actual toilet and this raised toilet seat. So if they hit the splash guard, all you got to do, clean this out, and then you're pretty much good to go. It's got the regular toilet seat up here on the top and then a toilet seat cover. Then it also has these bars over here on the side. I like these because they're a nice flat plastic, which make it really easy to push down, and I feel like there's a lot of stability here in actually grabbing these. Plus, when you're sitting down, you also can kind of just put your arms down here and actually relax. Down at the bottom, you're gonna have rubberized feet. So if you've got this in the bathroom, it's on tile. If you've got hardwood floors or anything like that, this is great because this is not gonna move around. It's actually gonna stick into place. Now, since a lot of people are gonna be moving this from the bathroom to the bedroom all the time, instead of lifting it up and carrying it like this, which is kind of a hassle, there's buttons over here on the back which will pop these arms out. You can swing this bottom piece down and then you can slide these across just like that. And now you basically have a thin piece that you could easily bring with you over into the bathroom or in the bedroom and set it up. Or if you're gonna bring this with you when you go places, you could easily just throw this in the back of the car and it's gonna fit nice and easily. So I love the fact that they added this onto this design because it just makes moving this around so easy. And I know that that is a big problem for a lot of people, is they're constantly moving it around and it ends up being a hassle. So I like the fact that they added that in, making it really easy. So if you're looking for a toilet, I feel like this is the perfect all-in-one. I would recommend picking one up, giving it a try, and seeing if it works for you.